Good morning, family. This is C7, the HOA Homesteader. Today is time for my 4th week Bee Hive inspection, and I wanted to get this thing done yesterday. However, we got that storm coming through, and it rained yesterday for a good 8 to 10 hours, so I was unable to enter the hive yesterday. One of the things I'm going to be doing today, I'm going to be adding a top box feeder called a Ceracell that I found online. The company's out of New Zealand, but thankfully there's a company here in the United States that sells reasonably priced, but the shipping costs almost as much as the box. That's what draws the price up. Do your research, go online, you'll see what I'm talking about, but it's supposed to be one of the best top box feeders. So that's what I'll be adding today. I'm going to go and get changed, and I'll be back with you. Thank you for visiting my channel, and hang in there, folks. Stay tuned. All right, people, I'm back. I'm getting ready to begin that inspection. Stay with me. Once again, they fed through a jar of sugar water in a week's time, so I'm glad I'm going to this top bar feeder. It holds a lot more sugar water, and that way they continue to use it and hopefully grow the hive quicker. Don't look like they started on these outer frames yet. That's just beeswax I painted on it with a paintbrush. Once again, this third one is my honey one. They got to cap it off. They still got more room to go. Looking good. Don't see any sunken in cells. It's looking good. Looks like I found a queen cell. It's empty, but I do have one. Okay. This is the one they've been building on for the last few weeks, and as you see, they're adding more and more comb to it each week. There's Queenie near the bottom, crawling across. All right, my last two outer frames wasn't nothing on it last week, but on my back side, they're starting to build on it. All right, that's what we want to see. Progress. Build these frames up, babies. Didn't forget to take it off this week. The box I put in place is a holder. This is the container, the Ceracell, out of New Zealand. Just pour the sugar water inside. The bees come in, they feed from these corners and from the middle. Well, people, that's it for the 4th week. The queen is active. They're starting to work on 2 outer frames on my right side. One concern is they built the queen cell. I'm gonna get with some more folks who can help me out on that and find out if I need to destroy that thing already or let them grow a little bit more and just continue to observe it. That's it, and that concludes my 4th week Bee Hive inspection. And I really thank you for visiting my channel. I hope to see you guys again soon, next week, if not sooner. So stay tuned. You have been with C7, the HOA Homesteader. And you know what my motto is, don't you? Let me hear you say it. Yeah, that's it. Just because you may live in a HOA doesn't mean that you cannot grow food or take care of bees. See you next week.